sorry, I didn't interrupt you because
Okay.
I want to kind of drill down a little bit. So I know you mentioned you have an HR background, so I know that was my next question. But like, so what are the mistakes you tell employers to be aware of for employees? Because I know there's mistakes that a lot of employees also make that can cause an employer issues. Like, are there any common areas that you tell an employer to be aware of?
Yeah, there's a lot of areas. The first one that comes to mind is probably the area of medical and disability. And I make them very familiar with a term called reasonable accommodation. And you're laughing because you know all about that, because that's the number one way business owners get sued, right? The clients that I interface with, I try to educate them on really what that means, because if a business owner knows about it, oftentimes they overdo it. They give accommodations to people where they don't need to. And then they're left scrambling to operate their business. And they're losing profits and they're losing time and money. And we don't want that. And then on the flip side, there's oftentimes they don't even know what that means or how to do it. And so they don't do it at all, which opens them up to litigation. So it's really this balance that has to be done. And I find that it's achievable if you have the education to do it. So a huge part of what I do is overall education.